Hi, everyone. I would like to show you the new feature that we just took live, certificates. So you can start distributing certificates based on a completion of a set of course, and you can have multiple certificates in the same academy. So I will show you how you can configure those certificates and how will it work for a user. So go to settings, and you can see an option called certificates here. Click on certificates. By default it's blank, so I can create a new certificate. So it gives you a preview in terms of how does it look. So we have added a good number of designs, frames in the background where you can choose different frames as you wish, and we'll also be giving you an option to upload your own frame, so where you can have your own logo or anything like that, or even seal, like if you want to have your seal inside the certificate. So we'll let you have your own frame soon as possible. So now I click on, okay, I've selected this particular frame and I clicked on save and continue. So I'll have to enter these informations. um, I'm just mentioning dummy content here. Just mentioning. So if you want to even enable the certificate after a couple of days, you can mention that. For example, I don't want to show the certificate the moment somebody logs in, rather show it after 7 days, something like that. So I can mention who is going to issue this. It's Nizam. Maybe mention this, and I can also have a signature attached to it. So I'm just uploading my signature. If you want a logo to be placed on top, so I can also see a quick preview if I need. So this is how it is going to look like. So when you have a logo, this will come here actually on top. So I saved, and this will also let me choose what are the courses that the user should complete to basically get the certificate. For example, for the sake of showing demo, I'll only choose one course and I'll save it. So the certificate is saved here. A quick preview of the frame is also available here. What are the courses that has to be completed is highlighted here. So if I click, it'll come in a pop-up. How many users are eligible, which means how many users are basically having access to that one course. That can be seen here. How many are in progress and how many completed can be seen here as well. By default, this will be in draft, so I can mark it as active. So this will be active and will be available for the students to start participating or attending this certificate program. So now what I'll do is I'll log out and I'll log in as a student. And you can see on top there is a certificate icon. I think that icon doesn't look like so bright, so I think we'll change that. So if I click here, this will basically show me what are the certificates that I'm eligible to attend. So certificate of achievement, content, I think I'll have to optimize that content again, by the way. So it's not started, that is my current stage. So when I clicked here, there is one course which is pending. That is the result is highlighted like this. So the course that I have to complete is the first course. So as you can say, it is 0% completed. I'm starting this course just like this. Let me finish this course. I think another interesting feature will be to decide how much time that I should be spending on that article before clicking on next button. That looks like an interesting feature. We'll add it to the pipeline so that the student cannot go to the next lesson unless he spent for, let's say, 1 minute 30 seconds, etc. Go into the back course. Okay, so successful. So I finished that particular course, and I can see this because I did not choose the right size of the signature. It is kind of highlighted like this, but I can very much, the size is mentioned, so it mentions the details here. And if I go to this section, I can also see that I have completed one, and I can view it, or I can download it as a PDF or a JPEG. So I have those options as well. So yeah, so we'll be adding more things to it. But yeah, this is our launch. So if you have any feedback, let me know, and please try that from your dashboard. Use it and let me know what are your thoughts. Thank